Hi guys, today I'm going to explain the difference between drop, delete and truncate. Actually, this is very interesting topic because wherever you will go for SQL interview, they will first ask this question only. So, let me explain it. First, let me create one table. Here I am creating employee table with employee number, employee name, job, salary and department number as the columns. Okay, now let me see whether this table exists here or not. Yeah, table is there but data is not there. So let me insert some rows. Insert into table the table name and I'm going to give some values. First is like number, so I will give some number. Employee name, let us give Kiran, and job, let me give something, salary and department number. Let me run this. Yeah, here one row is inserted. In the same way, let me insert 3 to 4 rows. I'm giving something because I want some data to explain you that concept. Yeah, now let me run this employee table and see what and all rows are there. Yeah. Whatever we have created, the 2 rows are there. Now let us go to the first difference between delete, drop and truncate. How we will use delete command? That in syntax for delete command is delete from what is the table name? The table name we will specify and we will give some where condition. Here let me consider like I want to delete the rows whose department number is 10. Before that, let me create one more row because whatever 2 rows I have, those are with the department number 10 only. So we will not feel much difference. See, now let me see what and all things are there in employee table. Yeah, now we have 3 rows, 2 rows with the department number 10 and 1 row with department 20. Now I want to delete the rows with the department number 10. Let me execute this query and let me see what is going to happen. See, 2 rows got deleted. If I will see employee table, it will not have any rows with department number 20. The first difference between drop, delete and truncate is if you want to apply delete command, then you have to use the where command. Like if you will consider drop and truncate, no need to use where command. Actually, they will not allow where command. So entire table will be deleted. But if you will consider delete command, you can delete the rows based on the condition. Okay, here one more thing we can say. Here we are giving where department number equal to something, right? Because of that, what will happen means, let us consider if you have more than 2000 to 3000 or some bulk amount of rows. In that case, here we are giving where some condition. Because of this, this action will take some time to perform. If you will consider drop and truncate, it will perform faster than the delete. This is one of the main difference between delete, drop and truncate. If you will consider second difference, this delete, whatever the rows we are deleting using this delete command, it can be rolled back. Like if I want it tomorrow or day after tomorrow or somewhere, we can roll back that rows and all. In the same way, if you use truncate and if you use drop and if you will delete the table means it will not be rolled back. One more difference here I am planning to tell, which is nothing but very important. Let me use truncate table. Here what is our table name? Employee is our table name. Drop table. Oh, what is the table name? Employee is the table name. Suppose, let us consider if you are using drop and if you want to delete the data means how it will perform. I will run and I will explain you. Let me execute this command. See, I am using drop here. It is showing like table is dropped. Let me select this query and let me run it. See, if I will use drop command, that entire table will go from the database. The table structure will not be there. Okay, now let me again create the table, which is nothing but employee, and let me insert the rows. Yeah, now let me see whether all rows are inserted or not in this table. Okay, rows are there. So now listen carefully. If I will use this truncate command, let me run it. Truncate is performed. If I will go here and if I will execute this employee table command, then it will show like no data found. It doesn't mean like the table structure is there but data is not there. This is the main difference. I discussed about three differences with examples. One is nothing but with the help of delete command, whatever data is deleting that can be rolled back. If you will use truncate and drop, the data whatever is deleted that cannot be that cannot be rolled back. That is the first difference. And second difference is if you will use delete command, you have the flexibility to use the where whatever rows you want, only those rows can be deleted. Because of this, what will happen means if data set is large, that time it will take some time to perform the delete action. If you will consider truncate and drop, it will perform fast than delete as we don't have where commands. And number three, which is the most important thing, is like with the help of truncate, whatever you are deleting, the rows will be deleted, but the table structure will be there. If you will use the drop command, what will happen means that entire table will go from the database. That structure also will not be there. That is the main difference. Yeah, hope this explains. So if you want to know the difference in detail, I am attaching one PPT here. You can go through that. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.